So on your phone, open up Google Drive. You may need to sign in if you're using it for the first time. If you're signing in for the first time, make sure you are using your at casdedu.org account. Once you're signed in, make sure you are at Files at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top, make sure you have My Drive selected. Then click the plus sign in the bottom right, then Photos and Videos, and you will have to allow Google to have access to all of your photos. Now, what that means is you can pull from there. It's not going to actually put your photos on there until you go in and select them. As you can see here, I have lots of pictures of my puppy Pepper. I'm going to select the pictures of my dog Pepper that I would like to add to my Google Drive. Once I do that, it is uploading. Now, you can see here that these image files are .heic files. Remember from the first day of class, I mentioned that if you have an iPhone, if you have live photos turned on, it's going to be an HEIC file. The bad thing about that is Google, like Google Slides, Google Drawings, WeVideo, that's not going to recognize an HEIC file. So what I suggest you doing is if you have a live photo, screenshot it and upload that screenshot to Google. Otherwise, what you could do is get on one of the iMac computers at school, ask me for help, and I will show you how to use the iMacs to convert those HEIC files to JPEGs. So once you get your pictures from your phone to your Google Drive, you're going to go into whatever you're using to edit. So here I'm in Google Slides and I'm in the My Life in Pictures project. So what I want to do is get my picture into the square. So to get my picture into the square, if I two-finger tap on the square and go down to replace image, that's going to replace that square with the image from my phone that I just put into my Google Drive. So when I go over to replace image, I'm going to go over to Google Drive. And then if I scroll down, I'm going to see my recents. So if this is the picture that I want, it goes right there in that square. You can insert pictures other ways through insert image, do it that way. But if you're working on this assignment, it is best to just two-finger tap on the object that you want to get rid of and then replace the image with what you have.